What's up, guys? This is Will of Will H Tech Review, back with another video. And today I'm doing a little follow-up video on the Google Pixel Slate. So I picked this up about 2 weeks ago, and I just want to do a follow-up on it. Let you guys know what I think about it, some of the things that I don't like about it, and just give you my overall opinion about this device after having it for 2 weeks. So I have the Intel Core M3, 8 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage device here. I picked this up along with the keyboard from Google. They ran a special on it where I picked this up for $549, and the keyboard was included for free, and just was a great deal at the time. This is how I normally use this. I use it with my mouse. I link it to my Note 9 for messaging. Does have this messaging app here where you can link text receive and text back through that app. And also, I do like the idea that they have mobile data connection right there. So if your phone, you can link your phone to this, and if you're out where there's no Wi-Fi, then you can use your phone as a hotspot for this. And I do like that aspect of it as well. So let's talk about the hardware on this. So this connects to the keyboard just like that. But here's the tablet here. As you can see, it's made out of some type of metal. Not sure what type, but it's pretty good. You can see one thing I don't like about it so far is the fingerprint. It's a fingerprint magnet. You do have an 8 megapixel camera on the rear. This side, you got a Type C. There are 2 Type Cs, and they can be used to export. You can extend your monitor here. You can hook up hard drives, SSDs, thumb drives, whatever you need to do with that. You got your pogo pins in case you're using this with the official Google keyboard or any keyboard that will connect with the pogo. You got another Type C, volume up and down, and it does have a power / fingerprint sensor right there and 2 microphones on the top of it. So build quality is top notch, feels very premium in the hand. I do like the size of this display and everything. You do have 2 front firing speakers here, and you have another 8 megapixel camera on the front. Very thin, as you can see, and just overall a great build in my opinion. Has a 12.2 inch 3000 by 2000 display. So it's very colorful and vibrant, as you can see by this wallpaper I have here. Touch sensitivity is great on it. No problems with the touch sensitivity at all. The 2 speakers sound great. I did do a couple of comparison videos between this keyboard, these speakers, and several other tablets like the Tab S4 and the iPad, and they hold their own. You know, very nice speakers because they're projected at you. So the keyboard, let's take a look at the keyboard. The keyboard is very nice. This is a bridge. Put that over to the side for now. Here's the keyboard. Keys are very nice, plastic keys. Have some pretty nice. It's a nice keyboard, but not a lot of feedback on them. But it's good. You know, it's a metal material. You do have a nice trackpad there. Not sure if it's glass or not. The way you charge it is Type C right there. I've only charged it 1 time. And another thing with this, fingerprint magnet as well. One of my little rubber feet here did come off. Put it back in place, it's still there. The hinges have held the device so good so far, but I will tell you, when you're transporting this and these 2 are together, when you open it up and take it out of your bag, it's probably going to be all over the place like this. So sometimes when I take it out of my bag, it's like that. Sometimes, and I do have it in the sleeve, sometimes it's like that. So the possibility of scratching your device or the display, because I don't have a screen protector on mine yet. That's a possibility. So the keyboard, transporting it, don't like, that it's not as connected or stable as it would be with the Pixel keyboard. So, but otherwise, I haven't had any problems with the keyboard and the tablet. At times, if you use the tablet for a long time, then it will heat up. I've had that problem where it heats up and it will freeze. So when it freezes, then of course, naturally, your keyboard's not gonna work. So what I have to do then, turn the power off a little bit, turn it back on, let it cool off a little bit, and it works great. Now, I'm not sure if that's something with my tablet, or it's a reoccurring problem, or if it's something to do with the processor. Not sure. But it's only happened a few times when I was using the tablet real heavy, watching a lot of movies, just using it for hours at a time. So, but other than that, it works great. The keyboard, like I said, it works fine. Keys are nice. They are backlit. Let's see if I can illustrate that here. Let's get out of that. Let's see if I can brighten them up. May be able to see the light over here by these keys, but very nice to have that backlit keyboard, especially when you're working in the dark. As far as the performance on it, I'm gonna go ahead and let's open up the Chrome browser here and open up some tabs. I do like the idea of my extensions over there. I use them quite a bit. And as you can see, I'm opening this stuff up pretty quick here. So let's go ahead and just get a few of them open. And then I'll show you how so that's about 4 or 5. Let's open up. So that's about 5 or 6 of them there. Now I can pop back through them, as you can see, very quickly. No problems at all going through them. If I wanted to open up some more apps, so let's go into Instagram. Some of them don't open up all the way, as you can see. Instagram is not quite optimized for it. Let's go to Twitter. So if I wanted to go back, and as you can see the keyboard right there, or you can 3-finger swipe, go back into this. If I wanted to make a split screen window here, I can come over here and drop this in place. When you see it there, see a little bit of a slow down, a little stutter there. So now I got Facebook and my local town talk here. If I wanted to go back into Instagram, I can pop back over. So as you see, it performs pretty well. There is a little bit of stutter, but not too bad. As you see, dropping in, dropping out. So performance is not too bad on it. I'll go ahead and close these out. A little bit of stutter with this from time to time when you do it, but it's not enough to, to deter you from buying it. Now, the settings and the menu and everything, kind of dark theme on it, and I like that. And that's just all part of Chrome, the new, Chrome browser, Chrome operating system. But as far as the tablet itself, it performs well. It's a little bit different than what I thought. I wanted this combination. It works well, as you can see, it holds it well there. But when transporting it, that's an issue right there that I don't like. Fingerprint sensor works quick and fast too, guys. So for social media, a little simple gameplay is all I've done on it. It works well. Don't have PUBG or any of those games like that, but you can go in and play Subway Surfer, things like that, and open up well, play well. If you want to do your social media, things of that nature, works great. I do have a video, couple of videos comparing this with other devices as far as the opening up apps and comparison like that. And as I showed you earlier, here's Twitter, so all of that stuff works well. But all right, guys, that's my look at the Google Pixel Slate. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H, and I'm out.